Hey everyone, welcome to Make It Spring with Walmart. Today we're going to make these awesome bubble vases with stuff that you have around the house and things you can buy at Walmart. Let's get started. The supplies we need for this project are apple barrel multi-surface satin in white and green turquoise, a super strong quick dry glue. Today I'm using Aleene's, a craft knife, a paintbrush, a hurricane vase in any size, and a cardboard egg carton. The first step of this project is separating the egg cups from the dividers. To do that, we're going to use a craft knife. I'm going to carefully make an incision on all four sides of these square dividers. Now that we've taken four dividers out, we can cut the egg cup out. Now we have both pieces for the project. So our second step is that we're going to base coat our hurricane vase with apple barrel multi-surface in white. Today I'm using apple barrel multi-surface on glass and cardboard, but you can also use it on many other surfaces. Now that we've base coated our vase, we're going to paint our dividers. Now that we've glued all of our dividers on, we have our completed vase ready to fill with flowers. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.